happy and I'm so excited to meet you. Thank you so much. I'm from India, Rajasthan.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm so excited to see
How do
you.
you speak so good English?
Thank you so much.
How do you speak?
I speak from here because before I'm begging, I'm not going school, but I'm begging. I know English little and I know all English.
Why are you begging? You should do some work.
Because I'm poor, from poor family.
But you should do some work.
I don't have anything.
You speak good English, somebody will give you a job.
No one give you a job because they say you are Indian. Go to India. Why you came here?
But why did you come here then?
Because in India also same problem. There are no tourists, no people. Some here little better, they help little much. But in India, no one
In which
help.
school do you go to? Did you go to in India?
I haven't seen school also.
You have
But
not
I
seen-
love school. I want to go school. Please God help me for school. If I go school, my future will change. I want to go school. I always say to people to help me for school, but they're not helping.
Yeah?
So I really want to go school.
You have a phone
Please
number?
help me for school.
You have a phone number?
Yeah, I have
You give this phone number to my friend.
98.
No, don't say that. Don't say it here. Give it later.
I stay here. I'll take it from you.
And I will send you to the school.
Thank you so much. Please help me for school. I'm so happy.
I'm so
I
happy
know
that you will
because
speak so
school-
good English. Yes.
I know school change life. If I study hard, I can do very thing for my
Yes,
life, my future, my family. And so I really want to go school. Thank you so much.
That's
School
very-
जाएगा?
Very-
Please help me for school. I don't need anything. I just want to go school.
You also want to go to school?
School जाएगा?
I want to go school. Please help me for
Okay,
school.
done. You are going to school from soon.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm
care.
so happy.
Okay.
Please, you saying that I will help
I
you
know
for
where you.
school.
I will meet you.
Yeah, you saying that I will help. Then again, don't say like.
But you promised me that you will go to school
You
and
promise
finish.
me. Yeah, I promise you. You also promise me that you will help me for school.
My foundation will help you.
Thank you so
Take
much.
care.